Around 3:10 p.m., Southeast Division officers responded to a low-jack alert for a stolen Chevrolet Silverado pickup truck, initiating a pursuit as the suspect, identified as 23-year-old Daniel Montiel, attempted to evade capture.
Westbound 94.
Westbound 94.
Devonshire.
Southbound to the
South
alley.
Alley.
From 94 west of 94.
Westbound.
Eastbound 95.
Eastbound 95.
1835, you're on Devonshire.
The pursuit reached its climax when Montiel abandoned the vehicle at a construction scrap yard on South Main Street. With containment established, officers believed Montiel had fled the area. As officers were breaking down containment, a citizen reported seeing an unknown male hiding between some of the units. The situation took a turn, and Metropolitan Division K9 officers were called to the scene to conduct a thorough search.
Black sweatpants, black ball cap. What did you say? Hey, John, did you repeat? Airship, can you tell? Are we good if we work both of these properties simultaneously?
It looks like there's people living in these things, right?
It's two properties. If he wants to hold, he can hold at the alley. You don't need, because if it's negative here, we're going to search ourselves.
Chris, just hold the alley, because if you come up negative here, then we go to the property. Does Mike know?
Yeah.
Up, up. All the way.
I'm going to stay there.
Yeah. Can I get one of you over here? Here. Here. All the way. Alright, hold on. He's in the back right now. Here, bud. He's over here. Okay. Up, up. Up, 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 up. All the way. All the way. Here. Here. Come here. Up, 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 up. All the way. Up. Come on. Here. Here. Up, 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 up. Come on. All the way. Up. That boy. All the way. Good boy. Hey, let me get you one over here. Klutz! Klutz!